You have an ebook idea. Writing it feels impossible. What if you could finish it today, in one afternoon? I'll show you a prompt-by-prompt workflow. 6 steps. 1 afternoon. A product ready to sell. Stay to the end. Step 4 is the one most people skip. You have the idea. You've had it for months. You just haven't started, because writing feels like too much work. Step 1. Find your idea. Don't guess what might sell. Real buyers are already searching. Your job is to find them first. Check Pinterest and Gumroad right now. Search AI guide or side hustle. See what's already selling. That is your market research. Done in 5 minutes. Now ask ChatGPT for ideas. Type this exact prompt. Watch what comes back. Profitable ebook ideas with a built-in audience. Pick the one that excites you. Step 2. The outline. This is your book's blueprint. ChatGPT builds it in 60 seconds. You would spend hours doing this yourself. Paste this prompt. Ask for an introduction, 5 chapters, and a conclusion. ChatGPT hands you a complete book structure. If it feels wrong, ask it to refine. Step 3. Write the draft. Do it chapter by chapter, not all at once. 1 chapter at a time keeps the quality high. Paste a detailed prompt for each chapter. Ask for clear tone, examples, and action steps. Repeat for every chapter. In under an hour, your full draft is done. Step 4 is the one most people skip. This is why most AI ebooks feel robotic. You must add your own stories, anecdotes, and voice. AI writes the draft, you provide the soul. Read the full draft out loud, fix anything awkward. Then add 1 personal moment per chapter. A story, a lesson you learned, your honest opinion. That is what buyers pay for. I have put every prompt from this video into a free PDF copy-paste. Use today. The download link is in the description, right now. Step 5. Design. You do not need to be a designer. Canva has free ebook templates. Pick one. Paste your chapters. Done. Open Canva. Search ebook template. Choose one that fits your style. Paste your chapters in, page by page. Your manuscript becomes a professional product in minutes. For your cover, ask ChatGPT for ideas first. Then take those concepts to an AI image generator. Upload the result to Canva. Professional cover. 0 design skills needed. Step 6. Launch and get paid. For beginners, use Gumroad. Bigger payout than Amazon. And every buyer joins your email list automatically. Set up your Gumroad product page. Upload the PDF. Then use one final ChatGPT prompt. It writes your product description and launch posts, everything you need to go live. In 30 days, you could have your first ebook live, your first sale on Gumroad, your first email subscriber. This channel shows you exactly how to build that. 6 steps. Find the idea, outline it, write it, edit it, design it, launch it. The excuse of no time is gone. You have the system right now. If this gave you value, hit subscribe, turn on the bell. Next video, how to price and promote your ebook to make your first $100 in week 1. Let's go! New AI income system every week. Subscribe, turn on the bell, build this together. See you next time.